Okay, hello, and allow me to introduce our problem statement. So we believe that these days, people often make a lot of impulse purchases or small purchases, fall for scam transactions, or overspend without realizing it and struggle to maintain a healthy financial budget. Traditional banking apps only tell users when they already actually spent the money after the damage is done. So we'd like to create a system, a software that actually helps people manage their budget and actually informs them when they actually go over budget immediately. So our product is called MoneyTalks. So here's some more details on our tech stack. Our tech stack, our backend uses Express.js and Convex, a serverless database. Our front end is using React plus Vite, TypeScript, and Tailwind CSS. Our database is using Convex, and our AI is using Cloud Anthropic and 11 Labs for our text-to-speech. Moving on, here is our MoneyTalks website, which we actually deployed using Vercel. So when we log in, we'll actually ask the user, how much money do you make per month? Bi-weekly or weekly, or do you have irregular gig work, or you can have no fixed income. Later, you'll also be able to set how much you actually spend per month on bills. It can be anything. It could be Netflix, it could be Spotify, whatever, and so on. Next, how much money do you want to save? It can be in the form of percentage or an actual amount. It's up to the user and to their own personalization. Moving on, it will lead them to the overview, which is the dashboard, where it will show how much money the user has spent per month, what upcoming bills they have left, alerts, weekly spending graph, and it'll be able to link to their bank account. Let's say they spend 20 ringgit on their Maybank bank account, it'll be able to be updated, the transaction will be updated here immediately, and will be able to keep track how much money they are spending, so that they'll actually be able to tell if they're over budget or not on their own personal budget. Our main feature is basically the AI side. So let's say I ask the AI, should I spend 5 ringgit on bread? So the prompt will actually be sent to our server, where it'll actually be processing it and be prepared to give a response.
Based on the information provided, spending 5 ringgit on bread.
So that's basically an example of a prompt that it'll actually respond with. After that, moving on, it'll also be able to view insights on more specific details on spending, insights on what they have, basically whether they spend on groceries, utilities, healthcare, or transport, and also basically some alerts on their recent activity. Users will also be able to specialize on their budget, on what specifically they want to put their budget on, whether it's food, shopping, or transport. And finally, we have their personalization settings, where they'll be able to set their name, what currency, when they want reminders for their budgeting, whether they want light, dark, or following the system, and so on. And they'll also be able to log out here. That's all from me. Thank you so much for your time.